Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big news which is coming here from Accenture. Accenture has started sending email, and friends, the exam will be also happening very soon. So congratulations, you have moved ahead in our recruitment process. Today only 8:44 a.m. So thank you for your interest in pursuing a career with Accenture. And along with that also, Cognizant has started sending email. That also we will talk in this video. But before that, friends, I have a request from all of you. Please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. See study only the pattern and all I discussed, and even the game-based questions which has been asked in Accenture, or the type of questions which will be asked. Okay, either selection videos, okay, or any kind of podcast, each and everything we are bringing it on our channel so that you get maximum help, and definitely your one like will motivate us a lot. So thank you for your interest in pursuing a career with Accenture. You have advanced to the next stage of our hiring process. You will receive further notification about assessment and scheduling. Okay, fine. So here also you see the assessment stages: behavioral and cognitive assessment, right? Friends, in this particular video study I have explained you the behavioral aptitude and the cognitive assessment. Then you have technical assessment, coding assessment, communication round. Step by step, the number of question, the complete detail has been explained to you. And visit our portal to learn more about the assessment process and guidelines. Ensure your system meets the requirement. So after you get this email, friends, right? So next week, so by next week you can expect, see, this is expectation generally. After this kind of mail, the examination happens. So by next week, right, so you may expect your exam. See, it might take some time also, but the minimum date when the exam might be announced is the next week, where you will have to write the examination. Next you will be getting a email where you will have to write the exam. And uh, you know I will be uploading this game based one video today, and then another few videos. See, game based anyway, I have given the deadline to 14th of December. But if you have already bought the Accenture crash course, other things we have already there: verbal ability, coding, cloud and networking, pseudocode, technical MCQs, programming, game based. This is what I am working on, and soon you will be like, before your exam you will be getting the video. That's my promise. Okay. And MS application also, already some videos are there, and we have already started putting the videos. Okay, so please don't worry about anything. We will try to cover 99% of your syllabus, but don't regret later. Get this Accenture crash course as soon as possible. Do not delay. Okay, now, so here once again, if you'll see, so these are the things, and also the same thing is there on their website also, processes. So 40 minutes you will be getting to complete behavioral and cognitive, 45 minutes to complete technical assessment. Okay, coding assessment will be for 60 minutes, and communication assessment will be for approximately 30 minutes. Okay, fine. Now, let's go back and see here what Cognizant is telling. So Cognizant is telling, see friends, this is not a new news from Cognizant. Cognizant is telling, dear candidates, greetings from Cognizant. Cognizant every year they do like this. Thank you for your participating in off-campus process for 2025 engineering graduates. We truly appreciate the effort and enthusiasm you demonstrated during the assessment. While we are unable to move forward with your application for the originally applied role, so many of you see 5th December was the last date for Gen Z role. Now they're telling, we are unable to move forward with your application for the originally applied role, but we are pleased to offer you for an exciting alternate opportunity. It's not like you have been selected and they are giving you another alternate opportunity. No. So what they're telling, so we would like to consider you for the position of multi-cloud trainee or digital workspace service engineer trainee. That is nothing but technical support role within our cloud infrastructure CIS team, a role that offers a strong learning potential and career growth. Please find the attached job description for more details. If the opportunity interests you, you are invited to fill out the attached consent form at the earliest. So friends, see, whatever the job role is there, whatever the job profile is there, please go ahead with that. Please fill the form, and then we will wait and see what happens. Okay, so once you get selected, if you have other opportunity, well and good. If you do not have, then you have to go along with that, because right now getting a job is very very important, right? So friends, this is the Accenture pattern. Also they have revealed it. Okay, and your exam date most probably will be next week. So please start your preparation from now only. Don't delay. See, don't regret later. Accenture crash course, I'm telling you, see, it's very very difficult for anyone to make the Accenture crash course in so less time with all the updated pattern, but we still have done lot of things, and before your exam it will be done. That's my promise to each one of you. Okay, you will be getting material on all the uh, you know assessment what you have. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be getting the free videos, updates, preparation, each and everything. Thank you. Take care. All the very very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then.